Dude, this thing's hitting screams, right?
Oh my word. Dude, you must love your job.
It's not bad.
Alright everybody, we finally made it here to Hennessey in Texas. Just can't believe the day is finally here. I want to thank Alex, I really want to thank Aaron, man, just for everything you guys have been doing, dude, because this is our family in the ALS fight. We are here to pick her up.
So, I'm glad you guys are here. Thanks for coming back by. It's really great to see you guys.
There are a few places that I would drive 24 hours from North Carolina to come to.
Yeah.
But Hennessey's one. A year ago, we were here for the HPE 650 Z28s, and they have been a blessing.
That's awesome.
Everywhere we go, thumbs up.
Yeah.
Cameras, people gathering around wanting to hear them. It's really helped us raise awareness for racing for ALS, and we've had a blast with them. After my diagnosis, we decided we're doing some bucket list things. We're not going to wait anymore until it's practical. We're going to get out there and do something we've dreamed of doing our whole lives, which is run race cars. We began to use our appearances at HPDE events and online at social media, Instagram and Facebook, to help raise awareness for ALS research and to help raise funds for ALS TDI, which is a company that, it's a non-profit 501c3 that does nothing but try to develop drugs for the treatment and cure of ALS. They have an extremely high pass-through rate as far as dollars directly to for use in research, and have been great to us as far as helping us with that cause.
Somebody's diagnosed about once every 90 minutes. So in the time it's taken us to drive from Raleigh to Houston to pick this car up and drive back, 80 people will be diagnosed. So it's a disease that's not uncurable, it's just underfunded. So definitely anybody watching, we would sure appreciate a donation. Even if it's $5, it's something that goes a long way. I've driven this thing on a lot of tracks, man, so I know how fast it was before.
Yeah.
And this is like...
It probably pulls a lot harder.
Gosh.
And the sound, I think, is the best.
Yeah, but you can feel that torque hit, man. That's crazy. Dude. Oh, man. Bravo to all the techs, everybody who worked on this car.
Yeah.
Daggone, man. John Hennessey is a mad scientist in a good way.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Exactly. It's Racing for ALS on Facebook and Instagram. We love what you guys stand for. Thanks for coming back by.
Thank you.
And we're so excited for you guys to take this thing home.
Absolutely. We're thrilled.